these book contents and this gate class material are now available in the form of a full-fledged chemical engineering courses. So we have these three kind of courses, namely a textual course and a video lecture course and test course. Okay, so this textual course is having this entire contents of my books. Service questions are, as I said, they are arranged year-wise, available in this checklists, and topic-wise, say available in this categories like basic concepts, first law, or second law, and again here this notes, objective questions, then problems with solutions. So in that way, they are category, they are nicely arranged topic-wise. And again, suppose you want to learn keyword-wise. So for that, you can simply go to this, take this keyword. Say, for example, you want to know more about Carnot cycle. So you can click on that and you will see this kind of what are the questions having these tags Carnot cycle. So that means every question is having some tag, associated tag. Say here this question is also having a tag like 2007. So you can see the questions of 2007 for that subject. And coming to the video lecture course, for every subject, I have this theories. Okay, this introductory, simple theory. Theory means not very elaborate theory. Say, some subjects may be having theory for only 1 hour, and some subjects are having theory for some 2-3 hours. So you can see the video for the theory. Okay, and even the transcripts for the theory also available given. Earlier I used to type them, and these are all PowerPoint contents. Say for every problem, video is properly cut, and the associated transcript is also available. A full-fledged test is available here in these courses, like test courses.